I will give you a very quick tour, first of all, and before starting, about all the parts of the house. So let's do it. Exterior part, back door garden, front garden, driveway, living room, washing machine room, kitchen, my room, toilet, shower, another room, and another room. And just in case if you saw my boxers, I don't really care. I'm doing this in my boxer. Let's go for the video. So to start this video, I just wanted to tell you that me and my girlfriend are paying $250 per week, which is $125 per week to each of us. This house was so worth it. This is our last week here. As I told you in the last video, we were just staying here for 5 or 6 weeks, and well, this is basically the end. But I wanted to give you a tour about this amazing place, amazing house. When you come in from the gate, you can see this big driveway to the garden. We have a garden in front of our house. We have a garden in the back of our house as well. We have such a big gardens here in this amazing place. We are 5 minutes away in a bus of the city center of Early, so it's so worth it. We are 6 minutes away from Coles walking, and well, we don't need anything else here. Inês works in the marina with the sailing boat, so it takes around 40 minutes walking, but normally she goes on a bike, and it takes around 10 to 15 minutes to reach to the point where she wants to go. I work in an hotel close to our house, which is like 15 minutes walking. We are basically in a perfect place, paying very little, but as I told you last week here, and very soon I'm gonna bring you a video about our new house that we already have it. You'll not even believe how amazing that house is, but I'm very excited to show you. So don't forget to check the video in 2 weeks time. But for now, let's go inside. Let's do it. This is the first part. We are in the living room. We have a big fridge over here. We have a table over here as well. If you turn a little bit this place, our main living room, here we have a sofa. We have another sofa over there, a big TV. So this is basically a perfect living room. It's not that big, it's not that small, it's very comfy. Normally we are here with our housemates, which is such a good vibe, such a good environment. So this living room, it's great and more than enough for 5 people. The kitchen, this is not a very modern house, this is a very old house, but still we have here a oven, we have a grill, we have a stove as well. This is where we put all our things. Well, it's not covered, but it's fine. Don't worry, we have a microwave over here as well. So basically we have almost all the amenities we need, but a big problem. Since I lived in Sydney, and in our house in Sydney we had a dishwasher, I can't really live without a dishwasher. And even worse if you live with other people. Let's go to the room, and I'm gonna show you just mine because I don't want to basically invade their privacy. So I'm gonna show you my room. I'm gonna tell you where their rooms are, but we will not go inside. If we go this side, you have one room there, which is Tom's room, and this is from the couple's room, from Leah and Kevin. And my room and Inês' rooms is this one. It's very big, very comfortable, and more than enough for both of us. As you can see, we have a fan over here. We have some drawers in my side, in her side. We have basically plenty of space. If I'm not wrong, the bed is a king size, so plenty of space, 2 drawers. And in front of us, we have a gigantic wardrobe for $125 each per week, around 70 euros per week. So me and Inês basically say we are living for free because it's like 10 euros a day. Let's go to the bathroom, and this is the worst one because, as I told you, if you don't have housemates that they are very clean, sometimes bathrooms are a little mess, but for now they look all right. But this could be a big problem, which in our case is not that bad. So let's go. So basically when you leave our room, you have a toilet and here the shower, which is kind of amazing because if somebody is using the shower, you can still go to the toilets, which is great. I think it was the couple that bought that one. So they have their things here and we have some little things over there. So it's all good. Here we have the mirror, which is great. It's big, it's a mirror, I guess. And here, as you can see, we have the toilet, which is all good for 1 person. And to be honest, I think there is no one that needs a toilet for 2. I guess. If you head out of the toilets, we come to the living room again, and I almost forgot to tell you, we have a washing machine in this small room. The houses are not really prepared for people. Sometimes you have to go to laundries outside and pay a little money every single week to wash your clothes, but in our case, it's here, so it's basically included. And once again, we have in the living room, if we open this door, we have the place to basically put our clothes drying. And this place is amazing because it's covered, but still gets a lot of sun during the day. But if it's raining, it's okay because you can basically leave the things here drying because it's protected. And normally, even when it's raining, it's very humidity over here in Airlie, so the clothes will still dry. Here outside we still have a bike. It's not our bike, it's the bike from this house, which they basically borrowed us because it was already here. So as you can see, we can use this bike whenever we want. So, well, it's very worth it, and we use it sometimes, not a lot of times, but still a very good amenity to use if you need to go someplace faster than usual. And yes, of course, this house is amazing. It is. But this is not even the best part. We are literally 7 minutes away from the beach. We can have a barbecue in front of the beach. We can chill in front of the beach. We are so close. If we ever get bored of staying at home, we just walk 7 minutes and we are in the beach. It is a perfect house? No. Are we happy with it? A lot. But yeah, guys, basically that's it. I hope you enjoyed. This was just a house tour before we are leaving. Sadly, but not sadly at the same time, we really enjoyed staying here for around 1 month and something. But now it's time to move on, and believe me, the next house, it's crazy. So if you haven't watched this video, go check this video, and if you haven't subscribed, you already know what to do. And as always, see you soon next week.